In the moonlit wilderness of Yellowstone, a lone elk grazes, unaware it's being watched. A wolf pack, led by a wise alpha female, waits in silence at the tree line. With a subtle flick of her ear, she signals the start of a coordinated hunt. This tiny gesture sets in motion a complex plan, revealing the wolves' intelligence and teamwork. Wolves are not just instinct-driven predators. They are thinkers and strategists, communicating through a secret language of sound and movement. Every member has a role, and their survival depends on precise cooperation. From faint whimpers to powerful howls, every sound and gesture has meaning. Their world is rich with silent signals. Tail positions, ear flicks, and body posture all tell a story. Imagine organizing a group without words. Wolves do this daily, using a sophisticated mix of sound, movement, and scent. This communication is the glue of their society, allowing them to raise young, defend territory, and hunt prey much larger than themselves. Understanding this language unlocks the true nature of wolves' family, loyalty, and extraordinary cooperation. As we explore their world, we'll see wolves not as villains, but as intelligent social beings. Their hunts are masterpieces of teamwork, not aggression. Their howls are conversations, not threats. The wolf's story is one of survival through unity and communication. In their world, strength comes from working together as one. The cleverness of wolves is a lesson in the power of connection. The howl of a wolf is more than a haunting melody. It's a vital tool for long-distance communication. Each howl is unique, a vocal fingerprint that lets wolves identify each other across vast distances. A howl can say, "I'm here, where are you?" or warn rivals, "This is our land." Packs often howl in chorus, each wolf taking a different pitch to sound larger and more intimidating. Howling strengthens social bonds, serving as a rally cry before a hunt or a celebration after success. For a lone wolf, a howl is a plea for connection, a search for family and belonging. Wolves also use a range of close-range sounds, soft whimpers to greet or comfort, low growls as warnings, and sharp barks as alarms. Each sound is a precise tool, allowing wolves to navigate their complex social lives. Their vocal language is rich with emotion and intent. Through howls and other calls, wolves maintain unity, coordinate hunts, and reinforce their identity as a pack. This language of sound is essential for survival in the wild. It's not just noise, it's strategy, emotion, and connection. The wolf's song is a conversation across the land. It echoes the wildness and freedom of their world. And it reminds us that communication is at the heart of every thriving community. Much of a wolf's communication is silent, a language of posture and gesture. A dominant wolf stands tall, ears forward, tail raised. "I'm in charge." A submissive wolf lowers its body, tucks its tail, and flattens its ears, signaling respect and deference. This interplay of body language maintains order and prevents conflict within the pack. The tail is especially expressive, wagging for excitement, straight for stalking, tucked for fear. Wolves read each other's moods instantly through these cues. Facial expressions add nuance. A direct stare challenges. Averted eyes show respect. A relaxed mouth signals playfulness. A snarl, lips pulled back, is a clear warning. Stay away. These silent signals allow wolves to coordinate actions, especially during hunts. Body language is a constant unspoken conversation that binds the pack together. It's the foundation of their unity and success. Wolves communicate through scent, a language invisible to us but vital to them. Their sense of smell is 100 times stronger than ours, letting them read the landscape like a newspaper. Scent marking defines territory. Urine on trees and rocks says, "We live here, keep out." These marks carry detailed information: the wolf's sex, status, health, and even recent meals. Scent helps avoid conflict and guides lone wolves seeking new territory or mates. Wolves have scent glands on their bodies and paws, leaving trails for pack members to follow. Greeting rituals involve sniffing, exchanging chemical information, and reinforcing social bonds. Scent is a message that lingers, shaping the social world of the pack. It governs territory, relationships, and family life. For wolves, scent is a silent but powerful force. At its core, a wolf pack is a family: parents, offspring, and sometimes older siblings. Older siblings help raise pups, acting as babysitters, protectors, and hunting assistants. This family structure provides stability and support for the next generation. Every wolf has a role. Adults hunt and defend. Yearlings learn and help. Pups are the future. The whole pack works together to feed, teach, and protect the young. Communal care gives pups the best start in life. Being in a pack allows wolves to hunt larger prey and defend territory more effectively. Within the pack, there's companionship, shared knowledge, and support. But each wolf must respect the group's rules and hierarchy. Communication prevents conflict and keeps the pack balanced. The pack's unity is the secret to their survival and success. It's a social contract built on cooperation. The alpha pair, usually the parents, lead the pack, not by force, but by experience and wisdom. They make key decisions: when to hunt, where to den, how to respond to threats. Their authority comes from earned respect, not aggression. The alpha female often leads in den selection and pup care. The alpha male organizes hunts and defense. Together, they guide the family with confidence and care. Subtle body language maintains order, no need for violence. This stable leadership lets the pack focus on survival, not internal strife. The true strength of the alpha pair is their ability to keep the family united. Hunting is the ultimate test of wolf teamwork and strategy. Wolves target prey much larger than themselves, relying on careful planning. The hunt begins with observation. Wolves watch herds, searching for the weakest member. Subtle signals communicate the chosen target before the chase. During the pursuit, wolves fan out, drive prey from the herd, and set ambushes. They adjust tactics in real time, switching roles to conserve energy. The final stage is a coordinated surround, aiming for a quick, efficient kill. Success depends on trust, communication, and courage. When the hunt succeeds, the whole pack shares the reward. Teamwork is their greatest weapon. It's what makes wolves such effective hunters. Yellowstone's reintroduced wolves gave scientists a front-row seat to their hunting genius. The Druid Peak Pack became famous for taking down massive bison, prey no single wolf could handle. They created chaos in the herd, isolating the weakest bison, then launched a coordinated attack. Some wolves distracted from the front, others targeted the hind legs, working in shifts to wear the giant down. These hunts could last for hours, showcasing endurance and strategy. In Canada's Wood Buffalo National Park, wolves use terrain, chasing bison into deep snow or marshes to gain the upper hand. Wolves adapt their tactics to the environment, always learning and refining their skills. Knowledge is passed to younger pack members, creating a culture of expertise. Whether on open plains or in dense forests, the principles remain: communication, cooperation, and adaptability. These legendary hunts reveal the true intelligence of wolves. Wolves' communication and teamwork are the keys to their survival and to the health of entire ecosystems. As top predators, wolves keep nature in balance by controlling prey populations. Their return to Yellowstone sparked a cascade of positive changes. Elk moved more, plants regrew, and other wildlife returned. Wolves are not villains, but vital guardians of the wild. For centuries, they've been misunderstood and persecuted, but science reveals their intelligence and ecological importance. Protecting wolves means protecting the web of life they support. Their survival is tied to the health of forests, rivers, and mountains. As human expansion threatens their habitats, coexistence is essential. Conservation efforts can ensure the wolf's howl continues to echo across wild lands. The future of wolves and the wild places they shape depends on our choices. By valuing their role, we protect the beauty and resilience of nature. The wolf story is a reminder of the power of unity and the importance of every voice in the wild. Let's ensure their song endures for generations to come.